spot, Kartel's fall from grace is not in the best interest of dancehall right now.
Shut the fuck up, man.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
You don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I know the things that people pick up on yourself. See? Yeah, man, cause we are go up on a reasoning right now. Cause we have to make the people them know what going on, you know. You see me, cause I see what going on, I'm gonna like what going on. See? Cause sometimes I wonder people if vybzkartel they really go prison. Like, you wonder if him did a road for the 13 years or something. Because some of the time the way how them money talk, you have to just shake your head. And the way how them express certain things. You understand? You have to wonder, you have to think and say, yo, them people are right in their mind. So, this is the thing, people. May I make sure I drop that one in here.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, people. Zane, I make sure I drop the one in, you know. People, I have a video for review, Zane, and this brother, Rasta brother, I think him name Irish and some chin business. Zane, he might talk something about vybzkartel. I have to really think 3 times or 4 times to say, these people, them, I don't know where them get them equation from on certain levels, because it's like, them forgot, I don't know, you understand? But people, me I go play a clip and make you hear what I want. Zane?
I think that the best thing for Kartel's team to do is sit and take a breather and start to produce Kartel's show.
This is the thing. vybzkartel don't have that type of team. If you realize, right, people? The thing is that vybzkartel, whatever happened with vybzkartel, or him and any promoter, him always be the one to come out and address it. That alone show you say vybzkartel don't have the team. If you realize, superstar artists or any other artists where they're on certain levels, the thing is that them people they have them, what they call it? Them people they have them PR people or whatsoever, like them team where send out a report, is what may address or a press relief, you know, for address whatever situation out there about their brand or whatsoever. Zine, if you realize, for example, like the show, we keep a Trinidad and vybzkartel never turn up. And rather than, remember, you know, the promoter send out a letter, you know, Zine, I explain what happened. Zine, but you realize, vybzkartel come out, video something, I don't know, either him a video himself or somebody video him, address the statement. So right there, so remember, you know see them top artists, you know go see Drake, Beyonce, all of them top artists that you see out there. You know go see Rihanna, you know go see them a come out and address nothing we have to do with them. Them a go send out people, them a go write report, them have them team. You see what I'm trying to say? Where we are going to send out certain report for address the situation. Them themselves, no, and that's how you do it. You have to act professionally. You understand? In a way where this, you have to have your brand like a business. Yeah, you have to have your brand like a business. You can't just, the artists are come out every time I try to adjust certain things, because the artists can't even put themselves in a problem. So you should say, vybzkartel not have that team there, because yeah, you hear say him have manager, but when you look, him a come out. And no, when not even see the manager even say nothing, you have to wonder if him the manager or what. You understand? Him address everything. vybzkartel address everything. So where's the team? Where's the team when him address everything?
Right? So people can now feel like it's a show. An experience, right? Because let's be honest, right? Everybody that's running off their mouth and talking about, say, Kartel done or Kartel can't do it again and Kartel this and Kartel that. When Kartel, if or when Kartel move from that spot, then nobody else not going to say
But you see, people, let me tell you this. You see how the vybzkartel name I call up in everything. Let me tell you this wagwan right now, people. Zine, because I know people might not realize wagwan. Zine, remember, say, right now, if you realize vybzkartel is an industry puppet. Them a try to do everything for push him, for make him, that's why them a come out with this open doors and, he might do this and one bag of thing. You see, if the industry that push these artists like how they might push Vybz Kartel, it would have been on a bigger level. You see, all over the world, this one bag of shows are going and certain little things. That would have looked more magnificent for dancehall. But no, them set him as a puppet where only whatever he do, them only explode that to the public. You understand? Whatever him feel on, them no put up that, them no showcase that when feel, you know. You understand? Or what them do, them try to find excuse. That's what them do. Try to find excuse for it not look bad. Because him a the puppet. That's why you see them a talk about, yo, face a dancehall and Ray dancehall the day of prison and one bag of thing. This is the thing. There is no genre on this earth when it comes to music where you have one man a push it. A dancehall alone, me see, where them a try use one man prep it up. You understand? That me a try to people. But we're going to listen to what him say.
There's nobody else that's going to that spot.
Alright. People, this is the thing, you know. Let me tell you, Jamaican artists, just build on a team, build on a product, and focus on what they do. Vybz Kartel is an industry puppet. Them now go, industry now go highlight Uno like how them a highlight him. You understand? Because reality soon hit, you know. Yeah, man. Reality soon hit. So, all this prep up and thing and you see them a try size him up and, you know, pretty up everything, make everything look good. Zine, but that time going to come when them can't do nothing about it. So, the artists them just focus on the team. Same like what the brother say, yo, him need to get that team there. Focus on the team, on the brand, and do what you have to do. Because at the end of the day, them now highlight Uno, them a highlight him. You notice when him come out, them a say, yo, the young artists, them now go on with nothing, and which the young artists them still a release music. But what them now highlight that, them only highlight, remember, you know, Vybz Kartel is not in Jamaica. And the artists them where they on the ground, them forget about them now highlight them. Is what me I try to say? Vybz Kartel no really have that music where we are this big scale. Like no hit song for a good while. You understand? When I talk about hit song, I talk about huge hit song. See? So, right now, them a try push him alone. A one-man thing, which, I know so it work. Is a dance all alone, you know. Seeing people, a dance all alone. Me see, them try to push up one man. One. If you go over the Afrobeat them, you have Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid, you have a lot of them. Pata Ranking, the whole of them. You know, over Afrobeat and I hear them a say, yo, this man alone, them a push up. Ray, this is that. Zane, a dance all alone. You're not even at the US. You have Drake, you have Chris Brown, you have Rihanna, you have a lot of artists, Kendrick Lamar. Them now push up one artist for try belittle the other rest of artists them. You see what I'm trying? So, that people have to just understand, say, yo, the man, Vybz Kartel is a puppet. So when you hear them talk like this, you know, say, yo, this now make no sense. But the thing is that, him a try say, nobody now go that spot where Kartel there. Yes, we understand that. Because no other artists now get industry push. Not even Shaggy and Sean Paul. I never see them highlight Shaggy and Sean Paul like this. And Shaggy and Sean Paul way bigger than Vybz Kartel. People are going to say, Ray, he might do shows and Ray. That is a facade thing because the industry just highlight that. Sean Paul and Shaggy them been doing it. It's just that them man they just focus on the work and the music. Them now show off and you see me and Ray, them post them video now and then. You see what I mean? But them been doing it for years. Even before Kartel, because Sean Paul the international Shaggy. You see what I try to say? So that is the point, people. But we're going to hear what him say.
Kartel is an anomaly, bro. Kartel is an anomaly. Like let's get it out there. Like let's get it off your chest, right? So when you say, you know, Kartel, boy, Kartel not gonna be able to do this next year, you know. Yo,
brother, I really think the people them attack. Yeah, man, real thing the people them attack. Cause uno not understand, you know. Uno, you see, because uno as the industry people, uno try to push him and they not listen, uno know reality, you know. Imagine Sean Paul and Shaggy them were out there for years, but what the man them still do shows and pull thousands of people same way. And this is the thing, you know, we not try prep up Kartel thing, you know, and I know say soon after this thing I got dwell down. The world is different from Jamaica, you know. Remember say Jamaica run off a hype and them look something there. The world I deal with music. You see it? And the demand I got decrease over the past months or year to come. So uno just sit down and feel like say, yo, I'm gonna always do this, I'm gonna always do this. And that's how it work. And in due time when I go realize, you see it.
Kartel can't perform and Kartel can't do this. Mind you, just
everybody knows the Kartel cannot perform. Him can't even, well, like, him would try use him vice box. Him not a vice box, you know. Vybzkartel not a vice box. Him windpipe. Remember him sickness and with him thyroid. You understand? Him vice box mash up. And him worse, even not damage it more. You understand? Because him not doing a vice training either. That's why him can't even perform from bands. You see it? If you perform from bands, I know one normal thing. So that's why I can't do that. So it's like, either come like say, Kartel just go up on the stage just with DJ. You see like how you book a DJ, and the DJ sing the song, over the song, I just that Vybzkartel I do. You understand? And now proper man, all of these giants perform from bands and certain little things. Him alone not do it. You understand? But true, Vybzkartel is an industry puppet now. You see, whatever him a do, them a go play it say, yo, all this around the thing. That's how them try to change the narrative all the time when him do things. Same like how him come out and him say, boy, yo, dancehall and a bands thing. Because it suit him. You understand? Because him want to take the shortcut. You see what I try to say? But here we must say people.
Say, right? The best thing for dancehall is for Kartel to stay rich part in there. Keep the door open for the rest of the dancehall man them.
People, me I tell you though. Me not understand. So, what you mean? So wait there. So you are gonna tell me, say, Sean Paul and Shaggy were more global than Vybzkartel. Zine? Cause una look on shows we are going now with Kartel for say, yo, I leverage, you know, I'm not understanding, you know. Because social media gets so powerful now with all of these highlights who kind of will trick you and I know say, yo, the reality soon hit. So you are gonna tell me, say, no, Kartel coming from prison and finally doing a official world tour for film career, and you are gonna say him open doors for man like, cause me have to rank it at that, you know, cause when you say artists, you know, all of them artists, you know, we are talking about everybody we do dancehall. See? So artists like Shaggy them and Sean Paul them, all of them artists. So you say Vybzkartel open doors for them when them money are do bigger than what Kartel do. Because the money have been doing over years, you know, Kartel just do it, you know, so the demand is high. That's why him even can charge a price. You know, for understand, say, yo, it's the timing, you know. It's the timing for everything. You understand? So, these are the problem with Uno now. Uno now do no calculation, you know. Uno just a run with that, just a look industry push thing. You see it? So, people, me no want them feel like, say, yo, them can make the young youths, them, put them hopes down, you know, like them nah do nothing and try. It take time. Remember, say, a 30-year Kartel in the games and him just a first at the world tour. When me talk about official world tour, cause back then him couldn't travel go certain place. You see it? Him couldn't travel certain place. So my time when me hear them attack, them know say, yo, we not make some social media thing and a man a do a thing now, you know, a trick, you know. You see what I mean? But people, here we must say.
And they work on making Kartel show an experience as opposed to what they're presenting now.
Yeah,
you follow what I'm saying, Drew? But moving Kartel from his spot, Kartel's fall from grace is not in the best interest of dancehall right now.
Let me tell you this, brother. Cause you come like, right now you sound like one Netflix movie. See? Yeah, man. You sound like one Netflix movie when I watch. With the grace thing. Brother, if Kartel fall from grace, that a Kartel fall from grace now have nothing to do with dancehall. Remember, say dancehall, they global before Kartel even bust. So some of the time when me hear not talk, you know, me realize people, them want to give the birth of dancehall to Vybzkartel. When Vybzkartel on the pan in peak, you have Beanie Man. You have a lot of artists out there. Sean Paul, Shaggy, how much artists out there we are do it over there. You see what I try to say? Because remember, you know what the problem, people? Now tell you why them a bring up this open door business. Zine, alright, pre this. Because remember, you know, it's the timing, you know, and the equation and everything fall in line. Because when you pre it, Kartel no go US for 20 years. Zine, Beanie no go for about 10, Bounty no go for about 20. If you realize. Zine, and if you pre certain levels, like when Kartel do film thing, Zine, at a magnitude, cause this is the thing, you know, people. Remember, say them I use the Barclays thing for try say, yo, we're an artist. Fine, because you know, say, yo, based on what the promoter say, them I say, yo, a 15K each night, which about 30 grand. And some I say, yo, a 20K a night, 40. Zine? So when you check it, I does 40,000 people. Remember, say Kartel do 30,000 in Jamaica. Zine? So when you hear them hike up certain little numbers, them are going like say Kartel do some 80,000. some 90,000 people. You understand? Man like Chris Brown them a do 90, Burna Boy them a do 80. Zine? And them no lock up in no prison or show you the level. So Kartel not pass 40k people yet. Zine, him no pass 40k people. The highest him ever go, Zine, at the Barclays show. And that was his first time after 20 years going to the US. We expect that. You see it? But the thing why them a talk about open doors, seeing if you realize people, Beanie Man, I think Beanie Man get fame visa. Seeing? Then vybzkartel get fame, then Bounty get fame after. Seeing? Remember, you know, all these three man, you know, and Buju too. Remember say Buju de prison for about 10 years. Seeing? And these artists, top tier artists, who I just called a while ago, all of them, it all come boil down to time of absence. Zine, so Buju 10, Kartel 20, and Bounty 20, Beanie 10. Zine? People, if you check the lineup, all of them man are gonna do the same thing based on the absence. So they make it seems like say, yo, the man them does Kartel come out and every man are just do it. The reason why, even Bounty, cause people not understand, you know, when a man the road, Zine, when a man the road, you have to understand, say, look here, the man do shows at Jamaica. The people them will live at US, although them can't go US, you know, people at US travel come see him. Same way, it's not like vybzkartel where lock up in a prison and nobody could see him, none at all. So UK people are come see Bounty, these are people are rare come see Bounty at Jamaica cause them a travel. And Bounty go England too, so people are farther England. I saw the thing said. The thing with Kartel now, Kartel lock up for 13 years. So it's like, that are going to create a huge demand where them not see him none at all. You see it? So the demand are go more higher than Bounty and Beanie. You see it? Buju fall under the line with Kartel because they not see him for 10 years. Zine, they must see Beanie and Bounty because although Beanie and Bounty couldn't go USA, the same people them where they are USA come travel to Jamaica to see them. So it kind of split up the demand right there so. But Buju and Kartel now for them demand and go high because nobody could see them none at all because them behind the bars. You see me? So now see the equation. So now them are proposed say, yo, Kartel are open doors for them, for artists and shows. No, because him are the industry puppet, who not only highlight what him a do. And that's the problem. Shaggy and Sean Paul them a do it. But you kind of X them out. Because why? You can't control them on the thing. And them man they try do them thing, them go foreign and deal with them thing and make them links and make them team for out there. So true Kartel now they on the ground and you know them niche man, the cult and every little thing and him can swing around DJs and produce and Ray. So him have the more link that are more compact package there with them set of people there. You see what me I try to say about people? Hear what I say.
Because he's the one who has helped to spark this whole thing that's happening right now.
People, you see it? I tell you, people, it's what I try to tell you. But tell you, say, vybzkartel, industry puppet. When you hear them people talk, you can know. Say, yo, vybzkartel thing is like this. vybzkartel will stand up and them just put on a superhero suit. Zine, and them just have a controller, or them just, make him go this ray. Them try to protect him, them try to prep him up over every other artist, yeah man. Cause them a say, basically, you know, what them a say, you know, them a say a Kartel make this arena thing and Ray go on. Which, that's not it. That's not it. Because if Kartel is still there prison, Beanie would have having big show over US same way. Bounty would have still having big show over the same way. This not have nothing to do with Kartel with the man them at the shows. Because remember say, these man, Beanie and Bounty was before vybzkartel. These were the two man were give him strength. We even make people know them from the get-go. So all of the people them in the elderly age, we're in the diaspora now, where usually they are Jamaica in a Bounty and Beanie time. You can't say Kartel open doors to Bounty and Beanie when it's just the man them did just see absence from the US and certain local places where them couldn't go. That's a madness. But me know because we not try to prep up Kartel thing, you know, give him the power, we not try to give him the lead a dancehall and by just doing shows we never do yet. We never do yet. We not try to say, yo, this Kartel not do nothing with the music thing. Him not do nothing with that. Him just do shows. We Kartel do, you know. Yes, it's a part of dancehall, but this not popel dancehall, brother. If I that, you know, cause it's when the reality hits, when you and do time and then the show them start decrease, then we realize. Kartel only do like about almost 11. If I'm 11 or 12 show Seen 11 or 12 show. Imagine man does do 11 or 12 show and them make it at this big facade. Yo, dancehall. Yeah, him go do arenas because you see the impact worse. The artists them were been pushing him thing. Him have una go on like say Kartel now have a lot of endorsement. People internationally we are endorse him. And that push him thing. And I really say him alone. You understand? Where you way, master people?
And let's be honest. So those of you who are talking about, yeah man, Kartel, you know, sister Kartel, you know, there's this thing that's happening in Germany now where they say that he didn't perform well and Ray. And I see all of these things that people are saying on social media, them beating him on, oh, $1 million on.
So, you see right, that's a no people. This is called the protection mode. Seeing? The protection mode. So, vybzkartel do a show in a Germany, right? Remember, you know, him can't perform, you know. So when him go up on the stage, him go sound like one DJ. You know, when they in one party and the DJ just a shout and say this and bab. That's how we are going. But it's sound away till the people them even caught them ears. Cause him now perform on everybody on the show. Summer Jam perform with bands and him don't. You see what I try to say? So the people them caught them ears. And I wonder, yo, what go on here so? So these are the things. Realize that whatever Kartel mess up on, them not highlight that. Them don't even critique it. Them just talk about it. Same like when I say, yo, people are talk about Ray not perform about. You see it, him not comment nothing about it, you know. And this is the problem. These are the things. The slips. If you say you want a man, if you carry the genre, but when you make him mistake them, you not correct him. That means him going to end up in the ditch. Because it's like a man cannot do a puzzle and him miss out some aspects of the puzzle and mess it up. And then when he reach to the end of the life, he finish them something he missing. Cause you know who not do. You not correct him and them something so. You not gonna realize, you know. You understand? You not gonna realize what I want. Because as me say, him not really have that team there. To me, him are the leader of the team. Him not have no team. You see say everything what happen, him come out and make video and release it. You understand? But people, this is what I say.
Listen, I'm not saying that they're wrong. I'm not saying that they're right.
Brother, you must talk the truth. Enough of them people, you know. Them afraid to talk the truth about vybzkartel, you know. Seeing? Them afraid to talk the truth, people. Because them can't take the backlash. And that's a them problem. Them don't want to talk the truth. Because them afraid the whole industry forward down on them. You see it? Where the people, them, you are say, yo, you not say a truth and talk the fact, talk your opinion and talk the truth. Because everything when him do, when him do wrong or him slip up and not correct him. You kind of patch up that quick, make it look like nothing never happened. So how things are going to happen in the future with the so-called one say, yo, una make him be the leader. I don't understand that.
I am saying this. Kartel's fall from grace is not a good thing for dancehall right now.
Brother, Kartel fall from grace no have nothing to do with dancehall, brother. You keep on a push up this one man. Kartel alone cannot push dancehall, brother. He cannot. This man come out forward from prison. This man released from prison with 3 albums. Him do one before him come out like few days before. Zane, that same one there where them say go Grammy. Zane and him never win it. Zane, and him do one named First Week and him do one named Vikings. Those 3 albums don't even, the last one Vikings are less than, from what? From about 15, from about, it's like 2,000. Less than 2,000 copy the man sell. Less than 2,000 copy. This man releasing album and nothing. Nothing not there. The little album with them, I think maybe they on the album with Travis Scott. Maybe you don't know a label with Travis Scott, them are going to push that. Maybe him going to get one little something on that. But for himself, Kartel don't really have nothing. Kartel, and next year Kartel are 50. In a which genre you see man a push up 50-year-old. I say, yo, this a 50-year-old lead dancehall. And that's how it thing work. You understand? Him alone can't do it. A dancehall alone, me see. They might try to push up one man for lead dancehall, you know. And that's how you think, right? This is the genre, bro. You need a group. If you type in genre, seem like if you have movie, you're gonna see Arrow. You're gonna see drama. One, bro, and that's how it go, brother. Over the years, a lot of that, you have Buju, you have Shabba, you have Yellowman, so many artists, especially in the reggae. I know one man carry the genre, bro. I'm tired of telling you already. Because look here. Say 10 stage in a one and for represent dancehall in a one day. You feel like the Kartel can do 10 staging all over the world one time? You know sick in on your head, man. Kartel can't, him alone cannot push the genre. Never. You need more than one people. You see, US I talk about, yo, this one man a push the genre right now. You see, Africa, you see Chinese, them a do it, you see a dancehall alone, because this is a problem. We don't want push up one man, that now do nothing. And you not go see it, you not go realize. Say, look here, this now work. The man music not even sell like that much less. If you even say, yo, a man a go run this and run that. You understand? A man doing shows, it's just for a short space of time. After everybody see him, that's it. Every piece have to go down. It's like when you see over the years how things happen. When you feel like say Kartel is that special. So the social media so powerful where everything on the social media it just a recycling of the media. So every people just a see, oh Boomba must sell out that way. Them thing they are trick on and realize. Because him not have the music of even push the genre either. Him not release no song where we could have say, yo, that package of song I push the genre. You understand? So right now, I said not even set a trap for him. And I don't even realize.
Now, Drew, Kartel I want to do one for the whole away. Right?
Me don't know what you talk about, brother. Me don't know. So wait, so when Kartel the prison, Zane, when Kartel the prison, how were the other rest of artists in there? Where Shaggy and Sean Paul did I do and Popcorn them? Because the only difference with vybzkartel coming out, you know, and them artists are when him they lock up, you know, is because you never did highlight them artists there when them do them shows. You never do it. Every show them do, you never highlight that. As since Kartel come out because of the clout and every little thing, whatever shows him do, you highlight that. Everybody get up, bow, give strength, all of them something there. You understand? You know the hypocrite side. And then you say, yo, unity and this and that. That are no problem. Because you don't set the prison. Remember so when Kartel they are prison, a bag of artists I do collab with him and one bag of thing. Music a release and every little thing. Because if Kartel in a certain country, he couldn't release no music. You understand? He would have to just stay in there and just deal with them have to deal with. You see it? So, Kartel now hold no door for no artist, brother. We now get the point wrong. You understand? Kartel now hold up no doors. You see me? Because dancehall is there. Dancehall is there. What we now use to trick the people is social media reposts and PR information, some false information we now make. Because when they do the math, you say, yo, this now work out. You see it? That's what I want to do because there's a lot of PR there for vybzkartel. We have make the thing look good. That's how the industry work. You understand? When they put you in the puppet mode, them just either come like, oh, you would have certain little thing like Secret Service or protect you. Everything. Every social media, where them prep up things and make things look good. Remember, the social media, the new generation, for mislead people, you know, lead people, because we can't do without social media some of the time. Because we're so addicted to it, it's hard. If Wi-Fi shut down right now, we're miserable. We're not really in the physical world, because the physical world different from the social media world, you know. You understand? But people, hear what I say.
His team or the industry, our industry needs to pressure him and say, brother,
Yep.
produce your show.
Shut it down for a minute.
Brother, yo, I tell you that. So wait, so Kartel keep him show, one show. You feel like say, I just one show no one keep what represent dancehall? Me not understand that. Zane, so this is the thing. That's why I'm trying to show you, know, the industry don't really care about certain artists. They don't really care, especially for the young youths. The industry don't care about the young youths. Because if them did care, all of them little advice where them at, where him basically I try to give vybzkartel team, and that them should not give the young youths them team. Where them are go there for the future generation for carry the genre. But no, them blackball them artists there and I try push Kartel thing which him not have much time. The man have 50 next year. When you feel like say him can do one next 3, 4, 5 world tour, him a go mash up. And understand it's like when I try cut the man life short. You understand? Cause brother, him can't look in any genre right now. Look if you see a 49/50-year-old I do what Kartel I do right now. Looking at research genre them. Cause it's like you don't understand what I go on. You don't understand what I go on, man. You see it?
Yes, get some dancers, get some type of distraction going on.
Brother, you said dancers. I don't know what you talk about, brother. So you want Kartel them forget dancers. I don't understand. Then wait, when how much artists go there, when Shaggy and Jean Paul out there, some of my time, Zane, I know say Shaggy not really use dancers like that. I don't know, maybe like Sean Paul now and then. But remember say them man think different. Zane, you want me not feel like say girls dancing on stage and really have nothing to do with dancehall really. You understand? You know really, I know everybody that. You have to understand say certain little artists who do that, like where Spice and she have her dancers them because you don't know a female thing and so what? So where you want? Remember say most of Kartel song them a gangster song, you know, brother. So if you ever talk about dancers and that now make no sense, brother. You see, that now make no sense. That a go be a little overwork with Kartel thing. You see me? Yeah, man.
On that damn stage, get some graphics. You know, you guys are making enough money to invest in the show and make it an
Brother, I don't know what you're talking about. Kartel them a make money. Me don't see no investment show where you are talk about. Right now, the man them a buy a be a vehicle and house, the man them a buy. Man them a business bow now. Invest in no show or whatsoever, brother. But tell you already, bro. When they are talk and not actually realize that, bro, vybzkartel don't have any team. Remember from back in the days when the man co-written and everything. And that's why them even fall out. Bro, remember say Kartel is a man, him no love share. You don't understand that, you know. Remember, you know, the man no love share. So when it comes to money, the man they skeptic. So nobody feel like say about team and brother, and that's how it work. The man have to lead that team there. You see? So that's why you see him a come out, as me say, him a come out every time and I release him video them what him do for address. You see it? In brand or whatsoever upon certain things, which and him not supposed to do that. Him manager supposed to put out a report for address things, press release or whatsoever for address things. Him not supposed to come out, so you show you say, brother, no matter what you do, him I go always want to be the one that make the first step. Him that from the get-go, you see, say, yo, him and majority of him business partner, them kind of have a little fallout now and then, you understand?
experience, because if they don't make it an experience, right, eventually it's going to slow down. Kartel slows down, right, it is going to make it hard for everybody that's trying to get into those arenas. And
Brother, you see, people, yo, man, so you might say if Kartel slow down, it'll go hard for people getting in the arena. Boy. People, you know, say, you ever realize that the majority of dancehall artists, right? Alright, the top tier dancehall artists are like Popcorn, Alkaline, Kartel, Idonia, Movado, you see it, Beanie Man, Bounty. Zine, you see, majority of the other rest of artists, majority of them not really established in a way where, remember, you know, majority of the artists, them under Kartel wings. Kartel boss some of them like Javinci and Popcorn them. You see it? And Ima Endas, Killibeng and all of these artists. So where that only do just enforce theme thing. You see me? It only make theme thing get bigger because them people are not really theme artists Ima Endas, they not really create a need like a fan base, a cult fan base to feed themselves because all of these years are the same fan where Kartel have, them I use. You see it? So the magnitude of Kartel would not do. Enough of them not go really do it because I really said 100% of them fans are for them. You see me? Like about 60 to 70% of them fans are for vybzkartel fans. You see it? So them are talk about arenas and I don't know when since this, yo, me tell you people. Them a use a equation a timing in lifetime, you know. Zine, if you realize everything does happen in a one timing. Buju come out, get visa. Kartel come out, get visa. Beanie Man getting visa at the same time. Bounty. Zine, it's just a time now where everything just happening at one time. Zine, so that's why people, in a one time, that's why you see this huge thing with arena go on because everything just happen at the same time. Zine, and it's just timing. Zine, and me know say, some of them maybe come through the same links or whatever. You see, cause we don't know the system still already. Zine, so that are the thing, people. We Kartel do now have nothing to do with dancehall. Bass pan say yo, him a go carry the genre. Remember say music do this, brother. Music do this. This ain't about no bag of shows and certain little things. Because soon after, so when Kartel stop the shows now, what I go say? Because him soon after this, you think him a go continue have shows like rapid like we might have now. Now the demand is high, not gonna hear yet. So like next year and the other year, if uno feel like say him a go always do this and do that certain little levels, you know, understand? Because this is the thing. Soon after, you know, realize that the ticket them decrease right now, the ticket them low now, you get ticket for $50 and certain little levels. You know, realize that? So if you feel like a promoter, I go pay Kartel millions of dollars and end up the ticket them cheap because the more them see the artists and more them have to lose the ticket because nobody now go always buy this huge ticket and them don't see him already. Worse, them realize say, yo, Jano, performer one bag of thing. You see me? I remember say, him show them, majority of him show them, a lot of artists kind of build the momentum on the show like Spice, Javinci. When you see the show them, we have all over the years, people. See, you see the show him have the past months, me say. where a bag of artists all rap at them on the stage and so them are going like say, yo, brother, a links and endorsement make the show them even I say, yo, yeah, where people want to come out. Because when him do shows, people say, all right, I wonder who am I going to call up on the stage? No. These are the things that in a people head when them for going shows. Because them don't see it in the media already. Say, yo, Migos Youth, Zine, Migos Youth fall on stage, 21 Savage, Lil Kim, all of these, Busta Rhymes, all of these artists fall on the stage. So people say, yo, he might call up some artists where, you understand? So people are going to forward out and say, yo, they might expect to see other artists and really say, for him all the time. You see it. So sometimes when not prep up certain little things, when not understand say, yo, I push a narrative where, brother, soon after this everything I go fade with, brother. You understand? Because I try to use a little industry thing, a little moment thing to try propel the genre. I say, yo, this a man open doors and I don't understand, brother. I don't understand that. Open what kind of doors? Yeah, Kartel do arena, bro, that a theme thing. That a theme absence from going to these places. That's why him can do arenas. It's not because him there road for how long and I tour the place already. And in a this time, yo, people just get up and say, yo, man, start buy ticket now. And go him show them. No, him never did that do it back then. You understand? Him get the biggest break in a dancehall absence. Like, miss for a while. For such a top tier artist. So, everything what happen now is a result of what happened in the past with him. Him couldn't travel go here, so him get locked up. So when I try to use that now for put a leverage to say, yo, dancehall artists, this and that. Let me tell you this, Kartel alone I go reach to that level there. Whatever I go on with the dancehall space now, Kartel alone I go do it. Because when you check it, it's a limited artists we are top tier right now. The majority of artists them are artists where him bringing at the game and who where I rep him and I be a young artist. You understand? Remember you know from after Alkaline bus, I be a young artist bus after that. And majority of the artists them gonna do branch off, gonna do other things. So right now, them a try compete Kartel with the young generation and then I make it look like say, yo, and the thing other artists, no, I be a young youth. Enough of them artists are where boss where they don't even do 10 years yet in them career. And them artists are they wanna compare with Kartel or whatever I do now. And they know say, yo, brother, that now got happen, the artists them reach 20, 30 years in a game yet. Kartel gone 30 years. So how you gonna compare a man when I game for 30 years with so much hits and with some young artists? Eh? A man who have a huge catalog. You understand? Him never did I do back. You know like Kartel did a tour down the place and I do one bag of arena back then. You know that? So when I prep it like saying did I do it before? No, bro. You see it? But this are the thing, people. Me don't want the artists them feel like and I let down them hopes like say, yo, we really much type artists, do what you can do. Build on a fan base, build on a team. You understand? Kartel have, I just show the artists them in the genre right now, kind of rep him and give him respect. But let me tell you this, soon after the generation, I forgot lead by somebody different. Kartel have to go up on retirement, cause I know him can't go do this forever. You understand? Remember, Kartel sick, you know. Cause it's like the way you not talk about bring, man I go carry genre and not realize. The man, soon after the man can't even hold out. It's like, would I overload him with straight right now. You understand? Soon after him can't manage. So, we not try prep up a man thing. For try, make the youth them thing look like, yo, them not rare. The youth, how much artists now reach 10 years of them career yet. Kartel done gone 30. Him soon do 40. You understand? Because majority of the artists them in a dancer now, them put them career Kartel foot. So that's why that even popular him thing too. The bag of collabs that them do with him, all of them look something there. Cause over the years, them do that for gain fame fans them. Which over the years, spending time gaining fame fans them. So when him come out now, them the fans are gone left them now. So it's like them now have nothing for push for them career or certain good things where them people that are looking to them song. You understand? But people, when you don't know, you know, yeah man, a media facts man, and if I make the people them know, say yo, whatever Kartel I do, he might do fame thing for fame career. It not have nothing to do with dancehall. You understand? And nobody not to feel no way if them not do an arena. Once your fans are followed out and I support you, you're good. You understand? Focus on your core and then after your thing spread. You see what I try to say? Remember say Bob Marley, them and them artists them do it before social media, you know. You understand? Them and they do them thing, them focus on the music and the music go out there. All artists them for do construct them music, build them team and do what them have to do. You understand? Everything takes time. You can't do 5 years in the business and expect to just get big over the world. So no, it take time. You have to take steps. Kartel do 30 years. That's why I can't even get this around here now. And him have him sang them in good catalog and certain little things. So don't feel no way. The young artists them not feel no way. But what will the Kartel do? What Kartel do that a theme thing. You understand? Uno still a do dancehall. No follow with them and say Kartel can't lead no dancehall. Nobody make them click that in a head, but yo, carry on dancehall. Cause they not even know say you a chop them as with Kartel thing right now. You see me? But people, big up on yourself now and don't know media facts. That is it.